Hello prospectors! In this video, I'm going to show you how to craft the smoker in Icarus. Over on your tech tree, you'll be able to find the smoker in the Tier 3 section. You can craft this in the machining bench with the use of 20 iron ingots, 10 copper ingots, 15 concrete mix, 20 pieces of steel screws, and finally 50 charcoals. Now at this point you should know how to make the ingots, so I'm going to skip that part including the charcoals. For the concrete mix, you have to make them in the concrete mixer. There are two recipes for the concrete mix. The first is using tree sap, stones and silica ore. The other one just uses crushed limestone and some tree sap. But before you can start making them, you have to connect the concrete mixer to the water network. Once you have the materials, just start crafting the concrete mix. This will take a while to make. So while that's working in the background, you can start making the steel screws. To make steel, you have to make the steel blooms inside the mortar and pestle. There's multiple recipes on how to make it, so just choose the one that suits you best. Once you've finished crafting the steel bloom, just chuck it into a concrete furnace or a high-tier furnace like the electric furnace, and it should start processing the steel bloom into a steel ingot. Now you can start making the steel screws after you made the ingot, and now you have all the materials you need to make the smoker. When placing down the smoker, you can only place this outside, so find a close location where it's not under a shelter, and now you can start smoking your meat and make it last longer than usual. And that's about it on how to craft the smoker in Icarus.